So, good morning, dear students. Warm welcome to you at Residential DAPS online classes. And here I have shared the YouTube channel's name. It is DAPS School Space Capital P Purnia. And today here I gonna start the science subject, physics branch. Topic name is heat for class 7. And you know me, it's me, yes, Giri sir. So let's begin without wasting our time. So in physics, first chapter, it is your heat. Now, what is meaning of heat exactly? What is meaning of heat energy? We tell that heat is a energy, but how to define that heat? Number one, when you go through the chapters, then you have to discuss about the heat. So here I have defined here. How can you define the heat? Here it is definition. Here I have written here, heat is a form of energy. Means it is a form of energy which gives us sensation of warmth. Means there is a great uses of the energies in our life. So one form of energy here we gonna discuss is heat energy. So you may define heat is a form of energy which gives us sensation of warmth, and heat energy is radiated from the hot body. There later on we discuss about the hot body and the cold body. Now the SI unit, not to forget, each and every physical quantities need to be measured in SI unit for our convenience, for the sake of the convenience and the comfortability. So SI unit means its SI unit is joule. Means when you measure the heat energy in SI unit, then you have to take the joule as a unit of the heat energy, and it is a scalar quantity. Now meaning of scalar quantity is, means all the physical quantities are classified into the two groups. One group is scalar and the next one is vector. In later on classes we shall discuss about detailedly, but you have to understand till then here up to heat is a scalar quantity. Means heat has only magnitude. Means when you discuss about the heat energy, you have to mention only its magnitude, means no directions. Now next, how can you measure the heat energy? Because scientists have designed many tools and the devices to measure the different physical quantities. So heat energy or the heat of the body can be measured by using the calorimeter. Means the name of the device which we use to measure the heat energy is calorimeter. So from here you gotta define heat is the form of energy which gives us sensation of warmth, and its SI unit is joule. CGS unit is calorie. Sometimes we see that heat is measured in calorie also, but you have to remember SI unit as a joule, and it is scalar quantity since it has only magnitude, no directions, and it can be easily measured by using the calorimeter. Now next topic, after the heat we need to discuss about hot body and cold body. Means what is meaning of hot body? When body is said to be the hot or the cold? It is simple definition, when or simply the body which releases heat energy to the surrounding. Means suppose if I burn firewood, means when you burn the wood, LPG gas or any fuels, it try to radiate out heat energy. Means at the time that body gonna be hot body because it is releasing the heat energy to the surrounding. And you will take the next example, glowing bulb. Because when you switch on the bulb glows using the electrical energy, but after a few times when you touch that bulb, you feel that bulb is hot or very warm. In this way, means it has become a hot body and it is releasing the heat energy to the surroundings. Similarly, in winter season, you might have been using the room heater. Simply room heater also radiates the heat, and it can be considered a hot body when it is working or the functioning. It is. Now you may collect more example of the hot body. The next topic is about the cold body, means simply the body which takes heat energy heat from the surrounding is called cold body. Means somebody radiates the heat energy to the surrounding, and somebody they absorb the heat energy. So the body which absorbs the heat energy is cold body, which releases the heat energy is hot body. So here example, ice melts. Why ice melts? Because when you take the ice cubes and when you place here at room temperature, it starts to melt and convert into the water forms. Means ice is having less heat in it than the surrounding, so it is taking the more heat from the surrounding, and as a result that ice cubes starts melting. Similarly, when you take the wet clothes, it starts to dries up in the sunlight. It means for a while it was the cold body and it is releasing of heat energy, it is taking the heat energy, it is absorbing the heat energy from the sun or any form of the heat energy. Snow, you might have seen in the snowy region, at the hill station, snow falls, and when you touch snow, you feel it is cold, means it is taking the heat from your body, so we feel the cold. And similarly, frost, hailstones, etc. and so on. Means when you touch the ice, exactly you are feeling cold. Means you feel the cold on touching the ice cube. Means exactly that ice cube is drawing the heat from your body, so we feel cold. Similarly, when you before doctor inject the syringe in your body, they put the spirit. Means when spirit start to evaporate from your body, when it is placed, then you feel cold. Means it evaporated, taking the some heat from your body. Means it is taking the heat from your body, so we are feeling cold, right? So this is the discussion about the hot body and the cold body, and more examples can be drawn, and you can be more clear when you just link hot body and the cold body with the temperatures, right? So this is all about the heat energy and about the hot body and cold body.